Hey everyone, just giving you a little update of what I've done today. I got the frame out. Yeah, it was a little bit of working around, but I got it out. And I also cleaned down half of it, as you can see, it's nice. And I welded on the front head beam. It went on really nice. Had to do some tweaking. Like here's where I had to tweak around it. And I still got to do this gap. So I'm just going to notch it right here and then beat them both in and then weld them up. And it's for the throttle. So I need to take it out because the throttle sits right about there. So yeah, and I'm going to leave these loose in case the floor is better to go under them because it's level rather than a step up and then down again, right? Could throw the geometry of the pedals off, but it looks good. Cleaned it down, you know, just wire wheeled it. I still got to separate the rest of the floor, but it's all cleaned all the way up to this point, as you can see. Nice. Even inside, so you can't see it, but yep. I even put a new bushing inside. You can see it. This nice clean snap ring right in there with the rubber grommet. Put a new one of them in. Had it sitting there, and wire wheeled the end so it gets all nice and clean. Other than that, you know, just got the head beam on today. I like it. Everything measures up to be the way it should be from this corner. From this corner all the way down and here to the same, right? And then I checked from the bottom to a certain point, and yep, seems to be up and down nicely. So I'm gonna check it out, and I ran. All I can say is I hope I did it straight. I'm pretty sure I did. I measured too many times for everything. Up, down, left, right. Like even from this point here, from a hole here, all the way up to this hole here, right? So this hole ain't gonna change. And then this hole. And then I did the same thing from the car. I measured from that point down here, this corner, all the way up to the front up here where it starts turning, and then all the way up to there. From there straight back. I then seen it on here, measured it within a 1/4 inch the most is something might be out. So let's hope for the best. I think I got a good set onto it all, but all right, next one I'll hopefully have some parts done for it. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye.